Today we have to solve a mensuration problem. The question is, there is a diagram which shows a heap of sand in the form of a cone of base radius 1.5 meter and a height 1.8 meter as shown in the diagram below. Question in, calculate the volume of sand. So we have to, in part A, we have to find the volume of sand. Volume of sand will be equal to volume of the cone, and volume of cone is 1 over 3 pi r square h. H is 1.8, r is 1.5. So we put the values and we get the volume. We will do it in detail later on. B part is, sand was dug out from a level surface creating a rectangular cross section pit with base measuring 2.3 and 1 point. This is a cuboid with a base measuring 2.3 meter by 1.7 meter, and we have to find the height. Now the volume of this cone should be equal to volume of this pit. The volume of this cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L is 2.3, B breadth is 1.7, and H we have to find. So L into B into H should be equal to the answer of the part A. Then we will manipulate it algebraically and we will get the value of H. C part is about the upper bounds. Upper bound, if the 2.3 meter in part B is given correct to the nearest tenth of a meter. So tenth means 1 over 10. 1 over 10 means 0.1. So calculate its upper bound, state its upper bound. It is very easy. In order to find the upper bound, we will divide the tenth by 2. Tenth is 0.1, so 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.05. When this 0.05 should be added to the given measurement to get the upper bound. So 2.3 plus 0.05 will give us 2.35. So 2.35 is the upper bound of this measurement. So let's do it. How to and calculate the using this information we can find the volume of the sand and the height. So let's do it. So let's solve it. We have to find the volume of the cone, and we know that volume of cone has formula 1 over 3 pi r square h, where r is the base radius and h is the height of the cone. And in the question, as we saw earlier, that r is given as 1.5 meter and h is also given as 1.8 meter. This information given. So volume of cone, this is part A, volume of cone will be equal to 1 over 3 into pi. Pi is 3.142, unless it is otherwise stated we use it 3.142 into r is 1.5, so 1.5 square, h is 1.8. We solve it by calculator because it is paper 2 question. So I solve it for you. This is 1 over 3.142 3.142 into r square into r is 1.5 square into h is 1.8. This is divided by 3 will give us 4.2417. So volume will be equal to 4.2417. If you want to give it up to 3 significant figures, then this will be equal to 4.24, because we have to drop this 1 is less than 5, so this will stay 4. So answer will be 4.24 meter cube. This is the volume of the sand which was in the heap in the shape of cone. B part is I showed you earlier, I repeat it. The sand was dug out from a level surface creating a rectangular cross section pit with base measuring. Base की जो measurement given है, base is given as, it means length is 2.3 meter and base is also given, breadth is also given. Breadth is 1.7 meter. We have to find the height of that cuboid type pit. Okay, so volume of this pit should be equal to volume of sand, because sand was dug out from this pit. So we write it, volume is equal to length into breadth into height, and this volume is given as 4.24, 4.2417. I write it correct whole number so that we get the accurate answer. L is given as 2.3, B is given as 1.7, and we have to find H. In order to find H, shift these two numbers to this side. This will be divided, so we get H is equal to, what we get? We get H is equal to 4.2417 divided by 2.3 times 1.7. So this will be equal to, we get height 4.2417 divided by 2.3 and 4. Divided by 10. 4.2417 divided by 2.3, and then again this is divided by 1.7. So answer will come out to be 1.08, 1.0848, up to 3 significant figure. This will become 1.0 and if 9, almost 9, nearly equal to 1.9 meter. So this is the height of the pit from where the sand was dug. The C part is 2.3 in part B is given. This 2.3 is given correct to nearest tenth of a meter. So give its upper bound. So tenth of meter mean 1 over 10. Tenth of meter is equal to 1 over 10 or 0.1 meter. So upper bound, in order to find upper bound of 2.3 meter will be equal to 2.3 plus 0.1 divided by 2. Whatever correct 2, we divide this number by 2. Is it correct? 10th of meter, so 10th is 0.1, so 0.1 divided by 2. 0.2 divided by 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.05. So it will be equal to 2.3 plus 0.05. So this will be equal to 2.35 meter. So this is the question I was asked by a student in the comments of my last video. So I solved it for you. It can be helpful for all the students preparing for the June 2024 or November 2024 O-level examination. So I hope you get all what I want to say, and if you like this video, please hit like, share it, comment it, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my coming video. Stay tuned to Believe Physics. See you in next video very soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.